Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Dating Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Zing dating application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Zing dating application on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the sign up as well as the login page. Even if you have signed up already or you don't have an account with Zing, you can simply click on the respective buttons to sign up or log in. If you created your account using your Facebook account, tap on Continue with Facebook. If you used your Google account, tap on Continue with Google. And if you used your phone, tap on Continue with Phone. You will then be asked to select your Google account, your Facebook account, or enter your phone number. Simply type in your country code, followed by your phone number, and then tap on the next button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. So simply check the SMS inbox on your phone and you will find the code sent to you from Google. Go ahead and enter the verification code in the box that you see on the screen and then tap on the confirm button. Once you tap on confirm, your identity will be verified and you will successfully be logged into your account on the Zing dating application. And now you can immediately start matching with various other users. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Zing dating app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us.